What is up, guys? This is my first video of my YouTube channel. I got my lovely wife over there turning her back on me. I don't know why. So this is my first Dodge Charger RT 2019 Plus. As you guys already see, I already got some mods going onto it. I got this wicker build from KNG KNG _wraps. That's my favorite color. What is it? Burgundy or octane red? What they like to say it. That's my lovely wife over there here to help me out with this journey. We started off as good friends. Hello. Yeah. Started say.
Put in some clips.
Yeah. Te vas a caer, eh? Si no, gorda. I'll just see your legs up in the air.
You want to turn it on?